Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe. As you all can see in the description down below, we are going to make some strawberry watermelon juice today. And here are my strawberries, my watermelon, my lime and my ginger. I didn't want to use a lot of ginger because I don't want it to take the taste. Also, I didn't want a lot of lemon or lime. You can choose to use lemon or lime, but today I'm using lime, and that's 1.5 lime, I think. And I got this watermelon from Walmart and it wasn't as sweet as I wanted it to be, so I'm like, well, why not just make some juice from it? So yeah, I'm gonna get some strawberry to go with it. I was thinking about what else can I put with it to make juice, and then I came up with strawberries. So if you have any suggestions, you can leave that down in the comment section down below. But without further ado, let's get right into making this amazing juice. Here is my amazing blender. I did an unboxing with it earlier. If you guys want to check it out, you can always check the link in the description box. I got it on Amazon way back in 2020 and I just started using it. Can you all imagine? But I did have an older one and I was using it, so that's why I just started using this one. I got rid of that older one and then I decided to use this one. But anyways, let me get to add in my watermelon inside here. I'm gonna add just the watermelon first, and then I had some of those strawberries inside there. I'm not gonna use any sugar for now, but I think I need to cut these strawberries, so I'm gonna cut these up first before I add them into my blender. Yeah, I got this blender as a gift back in 2020 along with some other items which I will be unboxing to show you guys. Some I already did unbox way back in 2020 or 2021. I will also add that video up and place those link in the description box so you guys can check out all those. I got some bakeware as well which I haven't unboxed as yet, but you guys can check out the rest of the items that I already unboxed for now until I do the rest. So yeah, let me go get those girls cut up, and I was cutting up the bigger ones to make them more smaller, because you know the watermelon is gonna blend quicker because they're more softer than the strawberries. So I want everything to incorporate. I'm just slicing these up. So there you go, those beautiful girls are done cutting up, and I'm going to add this amount to my blender, and then I'm gonna go ahead and just pour a little bit of water, maybe half cup is enough, and then blend it. So let me get my water and I will be back. Oh no, the watermelon is already have a lot of water, so I'm going to add about half cup of water in here, and I'm gonna place my lid on. So I'm just gonna blend one portion and then I will do the other portion off camera, but I will just blend this and then sieve it. Then I will show you guys the rest of the process, so let's stay tuned. So I'm about to press this, so get ready for noise. I'm gonna go with this one. I think I put a little bit too much in there at once, so I might need some more water. So guys, if you have a juicer at home, this would be nice. I'm still waiting to get a juicer for my own. So yeah, this one will be very nice to use a juicer. You didn't have to add any water or anything, just natural. So let's get into it again. So I ended up having to take out some of it, and now it is going. This got explode on me. but you know, it is what it is. So let me pour it out. Yep, what I'm gonna do is just go like this. If you have a juicer, you won't have to do this process because the juicer already did it for you. So that's what I'm doing right here. Let's sieve it, and then I'm gonna do the rest of camera, and then you guys will see the finished product. So all you're gonna do, you could have used this to make something, jam or something, but I'm just gonna throw this away. Okay, I'll see you when it's done. You know, everything just splashed over into all those. But yeah, I will be back soon. Show you the finished product. This is the strawberries. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Looks yummy already. So here you have it. I didn't expect the blender to spill over like that because I did it before on the older blender and it didn't splash. So I was like, maybe I can try it with this one. But it never worked out. But there you go. It is done. And I'm going to put this in some glass. And I will be right back with you guys. Okay guys, here is the finished product of the amazing juice. So I'm gonna get this into some glasses, as I said before, and store it. And I think I'm going to make some popsicles. I didn't add any sugar. I think I might add some honey in there. It is more healthier. Just a little bit up on it. And then I store it. I'm gonna get my containers ready. So guys, my containers, they are ready. So I'm gonna pour them out using my 1 cup measuring cup. And all of these, if you want to order any of these, I will place them in the description box. These containers, they are recycled containers that I have. I bought stuff in and I decided to recycle them. But if you guys recycle and you want to purchase these, I will place a link in the description box as well for you to purchase. So you can store your juice in them.